Hi guys, today I am visiting here at Saras Dabdama Lake Resort, and it's kind of a good place and one can visit. But the only what I can say down part of my visit here is that this resort is right now in somewhat construction because of the lockdown, COVID lockdown. But the view from the rooms here is really very good. As you can see, the spectacular view. The You can see Damdama Lake right from here. All the rooms here are lake facing. There are few rides and games etc. for the boys. Well, there are camel rides which are here near the hotel. The restaurant food is very good. There is no hike in the spices etc. You won't feel any taste of outside food. In fact, the food is perfect for the people who love to eat the home cooked food, or you can say desi. The food has a touch of desi pan here, like, because I think that's because the resort itself is in a village. The outside the gate, just outside the gate, it's a whole village. And you can see the village around here. You can view the culture of the village too. If you would go out, you will see the whole feel of village here. They had cut it down a tree here, which I think they would use for their tandoor and etc. And everything here is really good. I enjoyed my view and I enjoyed my visit here. Although there were some downfalls of the place too. The room service was not there, but that too, I guess, it was because of the COVID situation, the lockdown. But I would rather say that one can at least visit this place for at least 2 days. There is a very good park outside. It's a good park. They have set up a adventure trail there, sort of that Brahma Bridge and zip line and a few things more. So kids have a very big park which they can enjoy. And apart from that, you can do boating. You can see there are boats tied down there. The people are doing boating. There are few rides etc. for kids. All in total, it's a good promising place. You can visit, you can stay in this resort. It's quite good one, I would say. The rooms are quite spacious. I would show you the room. I will show you the room. This is, you will get all the facilities: AC, LCD, and the sitting. And I had this spacious double bed, a drawing table, and a clean bathroom, with all the basic amenities that any would want. Everything is quite good. And I'll show you the lobby of the hotel. So these are the only rooms here. Hardly there are 15 rooms there. There are 15 rooms only. And if I come out from my room, and if I want to show you, you would see in my background there is at few places there is construction poles etc. erected, because as I said again and again twice, there is construction going on due to it being locked in the COVID situation. I was talking to you about the parks. There is ample parking here. You can see there is ample parking. There is a small temple here. There is a small temple. And also I was talking to you about the park and the adventure trail. I'll take you to it. It's quite a good, beautiful place. You can sit around here. You can even come down here for picnic kind of an activity. You just need to pay for your parking and all. You can give if you are coming by your own car, you can give 40 rupees for your parking here, and you can enjoy the picnic. This is the park. This is the ground that they have. Because this is an the resort is in the Aravalli range, so the park is a bit, and the land here is up and down. And this is the adventure trail that I was talking to you about, and it's not very costly. It's in completely in pocket of any middle class person. I'll show you the package that they have. You can take all the you can take either these things individually, or you can take the activities package for rupees 350. If you would see, as you can see in my background, there is a tire wall here, Burma Bridge, and then you will have to cross this, and then you will come to this Burma Bridge. After the tire wall, you will have to cross this Burma Bridge. Then you will have to walk this zip line, and that tire bridge after that, and then you come down. There are few other things that you can do here. You can play badminton, cricket, etc., or you can jog around here if you wish. Although I would say that it's quite a satisfying visit, and one can visit this place. Thank you guys, keep watching.